Okay, here is our bookmark so far. We're going for a nice distressed bohemian look. And we're going to put an initial on here. So I want to cut out carefully. This is with flock. Remember, you don't want any excess transfer tape on here because then it's going to pick up on your foil that you've already laid down. So I'm going to put that right here in the middle. This is flock, so medium pressure. I have it at about 300. We're going to leave it on for about 10 to 15 seconds. And you can warm or cool peel this. Since I'm going to press it a couple of times. And I'm just going to get the corner of it up with my tweezers and take it right off. I'm going to do the same thing with the initial. I've cut around the initial, cut the transfer tape. Although since I'm putting on flock, it's my sister Carol's initial. I'm just going to give it one more press to make sure everything's on there. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.